How to create AliExpress account. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure that you have already downloaded the application AliExpress. If not, you can easily get it from Play Store or an App Store. Once it is installed in your device, open the application. It will land you on this interface. Tap on Continue. Now right here at the bottom right corner, tap on Account. At the top right corner, you will find the option of Sign in or Register. Click on it. Well, due to some privacy of this application, you won't be able to see the screen. But you will be landing on the space where you will be able to create your account. You will find two options right here. One is Continue with Google and then another one is Continue with Facebook. Let me tap on Continue with Google. From here, choose your specific account in which you want to create your AliExpress account. It will land you on this page. Right here, tap on Continue. And there you go, your AliExpress account has been created successfully. So that's it, and this is simply how you can create your AliExpress account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it in the end.